Hello guys, good morning. This is Abhay again, and today we will be learning Python Python function and while loop. Okay, so far what we have learned about the for loop, and let me recap with you. For loop syntax is something like that: items in list, and then probably we can go for anything. We can go for anything which will work for each of the items in the list. This is one of the stuff. And the second thing, range, and we can give any range over here, and this will run for these many times. Let's say 0 to 9. So this loop will run for 0 to 9 iteration. You got the point. Now we are going to learn about the while loop. While loop we are going to use when we want to execute something until and unless this is true. It is pretty easy, until and unless this is true. Example, a is 5. Example. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, while a is greater than 0. So a is greater than 0, right? This is true, right? So until unless this is true, this statement is true, we are going to keep on going in the iteration until unless this is true. Once the condition is false, once this condition is false, it will break the while loop and it will come out. So that is the funda of the while loop. So it will keep on running until and unless that condition is true. You got the point? Until and unless this condition is true. What's the difference in for? There are two types of for loop. One is you are going to iterate through the items in the list. It will go on the iteration till the time you have the items available in the list. Once the item is done in the list, it will come out of the loop. That is the one thing. This is the second thing, is it is going to define the range. Range means I want to iterate my loop for 5 times, or I want to iterate my loop for 10 times. So I am going to put the limit here in the form of the range function. But while loop I'm going to use when I want to run something until unless this condition is satisfied. Until unless this condition is satisfied. So this condition is satisfied. Now you see here a is equal to 5 and 5 is greater than 0. This condition is satisfied. So it will run. Let's say I want to give value is a. Okay. And let me go for the f string. Now value is a. Now what will happen? The value is a. Again, if it goes up, then a is still 5. So 5 is greater than 0. Again, this will print out. So it will keep on running like this for infinite time. This is what I have to do. I have to subtract a minus 1. So that next time when it goes, then a will become 4. Now see here, 5 is greater than 0. Yes, this is true. Value is 5. Now a is equal to a minus 1. So a will become 4. Now 4 is greater than 0. Yes, value is 4, and then it will keep on iterating, keep on printing this one until this value is true. Once this value is false, it will come out of the loop. Okay, we will see this. Don't worry about that. You see here, a equal to 5 while a is greater than 0. Print value is a. Okay, now you see here, and just minimizing this one, zooming out. Now see, it keeps on giving 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 infinite times, because I have not given anything to reduce the value of a here. A is always 5. So what I'm going to do, let me stop this one, and then here a equal to a minus 1. Either I can write like this, or we have learned in the variable assignment that we can also write something like a equal to a minus equal to 1. This is also one of the ways. Okay, now you see here 5 4 3 2 1, because after 1 when it becomes 0, so 0 is greater than 0. This is false. Once a becomes 0, 0 is greater than 0, this is false. So what I'm going to give, if I want 0 also to be included, I'm going to give greater than equal to. Now you see 0 will also get included here. You got the point? 5 4 3 2 1 0. This is the while loop. Now guys, this is done. This is pretty easy. Now we're gonna make use of all these things in the game. Then you will understand it in much better way. Now we are gonna talk about functions. It's pretty simple. Function, we are gonna have a keyword called def and function name, let's say called abhay, then two bracket, because we are not going to give any input to the function. Today we would be learning the function without argument. So we are not going to give any input to the function. It's a void function. So we are just simply giving like this and print. Now Abhay is a good boy. Okay. So what I'm going to do, let's say if I have to run Abhay is a good boy 10 times. I don't have to, okay, forget about this 10 times and all. Let's say I have this kind of stuff. Okay. I'm just thinking, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Let me do the proper formatting. Let's say I want to print 1 2 3 4 5 times Abhay. So in this case, what will happen? I don't have to keep on writing print Abhay is a good boy, print Abhay is a good boy 5 times everywhere. Wherever I have to print Abhay 5 times, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this function. So this is known as defining the function. I'm defining the function, but until I'm calling this out, I'm not going to get these 5 times Abhay printed out here. It's pretty simple like this. Wait, a equal to 10. Okay, guys, a equal to 10. And then if I do, forget about function for the time being. If I do a equal to 10, a is a variable and 10 is a constant. You know this one, right? If I do like this, am I getting any value printed out here? No, right? I'm not getting any value 10 or 100 printed out in the output section because a is equal to 10. I have defined the variable, but I have not called the variable. So how do I call the variable? I have to go for the print. If I go for the print and then if I do like this, then only I'll be getting 10. So I can have n number of variables defined here, but output will only be shown when I'm going to call the variable. So it's the same way I'm going to have, let's say Abhay, and Abhay is a good boy. Okay. And let me copy this 3 4 5. Now what is going to happen? I'm going to run this code. Nothing is going to happen because I have defined the function, but I have not called the function. Did you get the point? Try to understand the concept here. I have defined the function as variable, which I have seen in the past, but I have not called it. If I have to call the function, what I have to do? I have to call like this, the function name and then 2 brackets. That's it. Now you see here Abhay 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So function, the easy function without argument we have learned. While loop we have learned a lot of stuffs in the past also. Now what we are going to do, guys, it's pretty simple. Now what we are going to do, we are going to jump on the game section. Okay, so game section is right here. If you want, I can get you the link also in the comment box. You just have to let me know that you want this game stuff. So you have to go to reeborg.ca and here you will see hell lot of games available. Okay, now let it be loaded. Now guys, I'm just removing everything from here because here I already had the existing code written. Now if you go to Reeborg's keyboard, you will see a lot of functions, predefined functions. Okay, you have conditions, Python objects, specials, commands. So there's something called move. Example, there's something called move. So if I write here move, and if I run this, you see this robot is going one step forward and then last instruction completed. It means this instruction is completed. So I'll just stop this. That's it. If I have to write this example, I'm just helping this out because going forward you are going to have critical things. So 4 time moves I have written. Now I'm executing this one. 1 2 3 4. So it has gone to 4 steps ahead. Move. You got the point? Because move. So instead of doing this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a function, move forward, okay, and move forward. Okay, now you see here. Perfect. Now after that what I have, I have something called turn left. So let me take turn left. Okay, so I'll click on here, I'll take turn left. So after you move, it will turn left, and again, oh sorry for this one, and again I'm gonna move 4 up. You see here, move. Got it? Now guys, it has to go for right, like it has to turn right. No, again it has to turn left, right? What are you gonna do? Again turn left, again move. Just try to understand. Okay, now let's see how it goes. 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, again left, and 1 2 3 4. Okay, and left, 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, left, 1 2 3 4. So this guy has made a wonderful square, isn't it? And see, it is looking forward. So what I'm gonna do, I just want this to turn left, so that it will be ready again. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, turn left. That's it. So this is a complete square which I have created. Now you see here, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left. Now how many times I'm doing this one? 1 2 3 4. So I'm just doing this 4 times. So instead of going for 4 times, what I'm gonna do, where in range 1 to 5, you know, right? Why I'm going to write 1 to 5? Because 5 will not be included. So 1 2 3 4, so it is gonna happen only 4 times. So 5 if I give, then you already know that 5 will not be included. So 1 2 3 4, so it will iterate only 4 times. Got it? So I don't have to write these many times, this code. And of course this will be under this one. So enter, and then yeah, got it? So the length of the code will be smaller. You see, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4 left. Got it? Last instruction completed. It's pretty simple, guys. Last instruction completed. What did I do? You understood, right? Like how the things will happen. Okay, so let me copy this one out here and paste it for the reference. Okay, just let me, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me paste this as a reference. Okay. Now guys, there's a challenge 1. What is the challenge 1? Here, if you see huddle 1. Okay. In huddle 1, the robot will go from here, then it will go up, again it will here, go up, then it will go to this flag. Now what are the things you can use? Example, what are the things you can use here? World info, you can use move function and turn left. Okay, move function, turn left. And these are the things from here you can use. So here it is clearly defined that you have to use move function and turn left. Okay, move function and turn left. You have to create, like you have to use these 2 functions. That's it. So the code is already given here. See, this is the code, and let's see how it works. Okay. Now you see it's going up, down. Perfect. This is not this code one. 1 second. Probably, yeah, this is the one. I'm sorry, this is the one. That's a different stuffs. Okay. Did not follow the correct path. I have not taken the entire code. My bad. Yeah, this is the entire code now. Sorry. You see what he is doing, okay? So this is a game. So there are two functions which I have defined. Turn right, because I don't have any inbuilt function called turn right. I have it turn left. So if you turn left 3 times, then you will go to turn right. That's it. That's the reason the first function is turn right, which I have created. Okay, and then robot moving. And then you see finally it is gonna reach here, and that's it. This is what you have to do, guys. You have to let the robot to come to this point, the last point. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna ask him to move. He will move from here to here, and then turn left. He will take turn left. He will go up, then again turn right. It will go further. So like that, it's written over here. How many times he's gonna do this one? He's gonna do 5 times. You got the point. So if you understand this code, you are almost 70 to 80% things done. And see, going forward, hurdle 1 is the one challenge. Hurdle 2 is the code is easily visible to you, so you can have this code and run it again. You have to go for hurdle 2 and hurdle 3. Okay. So hurdle 2 and hurdle 3, all the codes are written here, and till hurdle 4. Yeah, till hurdle 4 the codes are written. You got the point? The hurdle 4 is something like, not hurdle 4, maybe hurdle 3. Wait, yeah. Who has given for hurdle? Okay, challenge 4, hurdle 3. Yeah, you see here. Using while loop. Here you have a dynamic, wall, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 walls are there. Probably in the next one you may have 7 walls or 3 walls, 2 walls, and this flag can be anywhere dynamically. You got the point. So this is a very challenging one. Dynamic wall, dynamic target, anything. So you don't have any fixed target or fixed wall. So it's quite easy. Not easy, quite challenging and quite tricky, but yes, it is easy, because here you are using only while loop and function. That's it. Okay, and that's it, done. We reached here. So this code also I am giving to you. Please go through it, and if you have any problem, let me know. But this is the one which we want to do. But for your for you the challenge is the maze one. Okay, you have to let this robot to go to this place, and immediately you should see a pop-up window saying that you have reached or something like that. For that, what is you can use move and turn left function. You can use front is clear or wall in front, either of these two, or right is clear or wall on right, either of these two, and add goal. Okay, so you have to go for the while loop. If else, using this, you have to get this robot to reach out to this one. This is your final project of this one, using while loop. For what we have learned so far, because this is a day 6 session, right? So what we have learned so far, use everything and get this robot to reach out to this place, and this is a place where you can put the things up. So I hope you have enjoyed this session, guys, and slowly we are going to learn how to create games and all. It is really going to be very exciting. So hope for the best, and let's meet again with the next topic, or probably with the next game. So we are going to have a lot of games going forward developed in Python. So thank you and bye bye.